One of the advantages of being so big is that stealing another's kill is that much easier. With the rise of giant predators and their spread throughout the Jurassic world, smaller dinosaurs needed new strategies if they were to survive. In recent years, China has been the focus of some remarkable fossil discoveries. One extraordinary fossil hints how some may have avoided these killer dinosaurs. It lived in the Jurassic forests of China 154 million years ago. Hiding in these lush forests is Epidexipteryx. This forest is home to many predators, and being small makes it vulnerable. This is Sinraptor. A small dinosaur, like Epidexipteryx, would be of no interest to a 7-meter adult. But this is a juvenile. Being small does have its advantages. Everything we know about Epidexipteryx comes from an incredible fossil, first revealed in 2008. It showed an animal with a small skull and large eye sockets, and unusually long teeth. With toes suited to gripping branches and very long arms and hands, it suggests that this was a dinosaur well suited to living in the trees. The extraordinary elongated third finger is another distinctive feature of the group. With this and its projecting front teeth, Epidexipteryx has the perfect tools to hunt for insects. Prey like this, which is difficult to catch, is quite a prize. A prize that can attract unwanted attention. Here it's another larger Epidexipteryx. There is more to this extraordinary creature than first meets the eye. The fossil has also revealed that it was covered in short, simple feathers. Feathers that were likely to have evolved for just one reason: to keep it warm. But there is one last striking feature: 4 long feathers on its tail. These feathers aren't like those of modern birds. These are long and ribbon-like. Almost certainly only for show. They're the earliest record of ornamental feathers. In fact, the very name Epidexipteryx means display feather. And they're among the most bird-like of any dinosaur. Only in the trees can you be safe from large predators like Sinraptor. Moving into the trees opened up an entirely new world for dinosaurs, and it wasn't long before killers followed. The most dramatic, found in 2000, lived in northeast China around 120 million years ago, at the beginning of the Cretaceous period. A dinosaur that took tree living to a whole new level. This is Jiang Long. With prey like this, predators were sure to follow. Microraptor. Microraptor is small and well adapted to chasing prey in the canopy. Jiang Long, however, has a trick. This is a flying lizard. And the exquisite fossils of Microraptor revealed a surprise. The feathers of this dinosaur aren't for keeping warm or for show. Their structure is plainly visible from the fossils. They are very long, veined, and most importantly, their shape creates a perfect aerodynamic surface. And they aren't confined to its forearms. Its legs, too, had long feathers. These feathers are designed for one thing only: flight. Microraptor is a four-winged dinosaur that took to the skies. But Microraptor isn't the only flying monster here. Sinornithosaurus, more than capable of stealing prey. But it has a bigger prize in mind. Sinornithosaurus has a deadly secret. In 2009, a study of Sinornithosaurus found distinctive grooves along the length of its teeth. They resemble those of the venomous Gila monster, the grooves of its teeth used to deliver venom into its victim. The team even identified what they thought was the location of the venom sac in the fossil. It appeared Sinornithosaurus could kill with poison. Having longer flight feathers on both its arms and legs, Microraptor is by far the better glider. But with no ability to gain height, the only way is down. Microraptor's long feathers mean it can barely walk, much less run. Sinornithosaurus has no such problem. On the forest floor, the tables are turned. Microraptor has a fortunate escape. Killer dinosaurs dominated the land, the trees, and had even taken to the air. But by the middle of the Cretaceous period, things were changing. A new breed of killers was emerging. These were the famed tyrannosaurs. Formidable hunter-killers that swept aside almost all other predators. Carnivorous dinosaurs that remained were forced to adapt, sometimes going to extreme lengths. One such group was the bizarre therizinosaurs. In 2009, the most complete skeleton found so far was described. It lived in New Mexico 92 million years ago.